Come here, Bella. Ah. Ah. It's done. Done.
Thank you.
Done. Guys, magluluto ako ng yung vital wheat, yung karni-karni namin. Lagyan ko ng black pepper, paprika. Kasi sayang yung ano guys, yung oling, yung kalayo ba, yung init.
What is that? What is this?
The VG meat. The vegetarian meat, the one you taste before. So, this is like this. Bella dun sa baba, nag-clap-clap at nag-bye-bye. Boiled ito ng water. Ay, baka malanan
It's
na
for what?
naman.
It's for Bella.
This is the vegetarian meat the last time you taste. The last time you taste. So, water. Oy, Bella, don't move the camera. Don't move. Ganito, guys. Now you see how I make it. No, there. No. Bella, no. Don't move the camera. So it's becoming sticky. Oops.
This one you bought here in the market.
Nairobi.
And here?
I bought in Nairobi. Here you can find it. 1 kg 800.
100.
800.
Oh.
City 800.
So yes, the
only
water.
this.
Olive. You put the water.
Yeah, and you mix it. Now it's become like this.
And
Yes,
the oil.
No oil.
Only water.
Only water. Don't move water. So here is boiled na guys. I put little oil so that hindi siya magdikit-dikit. And then ilalagay ko na to. I put it here to boil it.
Rita toka. Rita. Toka.
Aya. Oh. Then let it boil like that. For maybe 30 minutes like that. That's it. Guys, ito na to yung karni-karni guys. Oh. Lumalaki na siya. Malapit na tong maluto. Luto na ata din to. Pwede na to guys. I-marinate ko to. Coming! Dada! Bella! Anong nangyari sa sanina mo, Bella? Hi, Dada! Come and eat. Let's eat. You can eat now. Who's that? Dada? Hey, Dada? Dada? Come for lunch, Dada. Eh? Eh? Look that, guys. Rain is coming. We're going to the market, but here we need to go back. Bella, we go inside now. See, the hangin is malakas ng hangin, no? Oh my! Kala ko maano yung puno. Hala, malakas tong ulan ngayon. Pasok na tayo. Huh? What? Nilabay, Bella. Guys, now I marinate my carne. Lagyan ko ng tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. The soy sauce. Or tuyo. Hindi ako nakabili naubusan ako ng lemon, guys. Naubusan ako ng lemon. Punta sana kami ni baby doon sa market, but umulan. Ito na lang lagay ko vinegar. Tapos, itong black pepper. Oops. Pili-pili. Pili-pili or paprika. Pili-pili ba yung paprika? Hindi pala. Lagyan ko na lang ng white pepper. Oops. Tapos chili. Bella. Ay, wala akong ahos. Yun na lang, powder. Saan ba yung powder na garlic ko? Anong garlic? Tapos yung bombay. Mag-i-slice ako ng bombay, guys. Tinidor. Ganda sana yung lemon ba? So, okay na lang to. Tapos ito na yung karne, guys. Oh. Iano ko siya na parang tilapia. Yung ganito nga pag-slice. Ano yung tawag doon? Parang tusino. Ano naman tusino? Ay, yun ko ba? Basta ganito pagka-slice. Wala puno. Kasi hinulog niya yung yung plato. Kaya dyan ko na lang nilagay. Yan yung plato niya. Tapos, isusuko dito siya. Ganon para ma-absorb yung lasa. I-marinate ko to overnight. Pero pwede ko na din itong prituhin. Ayan. All in one na to siya, guys. All in one. Ano natin yung excess na water ba? Para siyang talaga. Ganda yung buo na pepper, black pepper ba yun? Yung liso. Uy! Maliit kasi yung ko, guys. Kitchen. Tapos yung pa? Lamisa. Lamisa. Ba't ka nagbababay? Ha? Marunong na ikaw, be? Marunong na ikaw, ha? Na may kamera, magbabay ikaw? Ha? Saan na yung ano mo? Hmm. Yung husband ko, guys, hindi siya kumakain ito. Ako lang. Tagaw ba? Tagaw. Dito kasi, yung pagkain nila paulit-ulit ba? Tayo gusto natin kain na madaming variety bitaw. Sila vegetable lang at ugali, okay na. Paulit-ulit. Tsaka yung beans. Dada! 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 What's this? Tomatoes and garlic. Onions. Very good, husband. Bye. Banana, Bella. Banana. Banana. Vegetables. Alex. Here's guys, kales. Tapos potato. Potato. Nago. Nago, Bella. Daddy get milk. And avocados. 4 avocados. Let me put it here and let me finish my the one I wash.
Diyan na si Dada. Huh?
Let me feed you, Bella, first. Feed, Bella. Feed. There's banana. Niluluto ko yung ano, guys. Bigimix ko. Para makakain. Tapos, pinakain ko si Bella ng oats and banana. Lutuan ko siya ng ugali. Ganyan dito, guys, pag hindi makain ng ugali, parang manghina sila ba? At okay, ito, okay lang, rice at saka ito. Rice, nalutuan ko siya ng kales at ugali. Ay, nadami yung oil na nilagay ko. Tingnan ko muna itong kales. Kales. Very good. Will you cook the kales? I put more tomato. Mom, eat, Mom. Put the asin, salt. There's the carbondala. There's the cover. Falling down, falling down. Ito na yung vegetarian meat ko, guys. Oh. Tapos na. Ano naman tayo sa ugali. Ugali o dara. Huh? Are you saying it? Are you saying it? Saan na ba yun? Sa akin, guys, rice, tsaka ito, at tsaka suguma wiki. Sa kanya, ugali. Bukado dito, guys, oh. Diba ang laki ng laman kaysa buto. Malaki ang laman sa ating avocado. Ito ay 10 pesos or 15 pesos lamang. Diba? Okay na to. Okay na to. This goes. Kels. Pinagang kels, guys. Yung ano pala? Ugali. Wait. Saan na ba yung kamata? They called it kamata. Ito, they called it kamata, guys. Ito na yun. Lunch, ang dinner namin. Let's eat, guys. Bella. Smile, smile. Smile. Good night. Bella, bye. Oh.
This is your father. Bella. Complaining. Sing hurry up, Daddy. She will remove it. She don't like. Bella. Bella. Hurry. Hurry up, Dada. Bella saying, hurry up, Dada. Hurry up, Dada. It's raining season nowadays. April. Oh, night. Good night, Bella. Good night.